Have you ever heard na mag-maintain ka lang daw ng balance sa bangko, may free life insurance ka na? Sounds too good to be true? Pag-usapan natin. Here's the truth. Sa mundo ng finance, wala talagang free. That so-called free life insurance from your bank is actually not free. Ganito yan. The bank negotiates one big life insurance plan for its depositors. Hindi ikaw ang may-ari ng policy, the bank is. You're just one of the many names under their group coverage. Kung baga ganito yan, sasakay ka lang sa bangka, pero hindi talaga ikaw yung may-ari ng bangka. And about the cost naman, hindi yan magic na bigla na lang nawala. Instead of giving you the full interest of your money, doon nila kinukuha yung pangbayad sa life insurance mo. So yes, ikaw pa rin ang nagbabayad, only in a hidden way. But wait, may catch pa yan. Conditional ang insurance na yan. The moment na bumaba yung deposit mo sa required amount, mawawala ang insurance na yan. And don't expect full coverage either kasi maliit lang yung coverage usually. Tapos usually hindi naman talaga siya long term. Plus, think about this. Para lang mapanatili yung so-called na life insurance na free, you're forced to keep a big chunk of your money on your savings account. An amount that you could have placed somewhere else, maybe sa mutual funds, time deposit, Pag-ibig MP2, or your own insurance plan. Mas malaki sana yung balik nito kung ikaw mismo ang may control. So the next time you hear free life insurance from your bank, remember this. Hindi siya libre. You're actually paying for it through lower returns and lost opportunities. If you really want a policy of your own, na may control ka, and long-term, hindi nawawala, then get a policy of your own. Hindi naman kailangan na malaki agad. You can start with something na kaya mong simulan. That way you can customize your needs, not just a promo bundle to your savings account. So don't treat the free life insurance as your personal insurance. Magkaiba siya. Day, okay pa din ba na may free life insurance ako sa bank? Definitely yes. If you treat it as just free, as just add-on, don't treat it as your personal life insurance.